Hey lovelies, and welcome back to my channel. For today's makeup tutorial, we are going to be creating this beautiful pink bubblegum makeup look, which I decided to name. I thought that was a super cool name, and this actually does look like pink bubblegum. So we are also using these beautiful 3D mink lashes. So let's go ahead and get started. To start off, I am going to be using the NYX eyeshadow base, which I usually do not use any base or any type of, base. I honestly don't, but I decided to purchase this and I have to admit that I am super impressed. So we are not gonna set that eyeshadow base. We're just gonna go ahead and apply this light pink eyeshadow, and we are going to be using this as the transition color, applying it over the crease, and we are just going to go ahead and blend several times until we get a good intensity that we like. So this is going to take a few minutes. Just try to be patient. The more you blend, the better it's going to look, because we want to avoid any harsh edges, and we just want everything to look really nice and smooth. So go ahead and take your time, and let's go ahead and blend away. You guys, I want to apologize because something is going on with my computer. It is making this odd noise, like something is downloading or something like that, and I waited a few minutes to see if that would come off, like if it would just stop doing that, and I waited a few minutes and it's not. So I apologize if you guys hear like a weird sound in the background. Just try to be patient, and I am gonna try to speak a little bit slower and louder so you guys can hear me. So yes. Okay, I am gonna go ahead and get this hot pink eyeshadow, which is absolutely beautiful. This was actually my motivation to get this James Charles palette. And as you can see, I am actually using a different brush. This is from e.l.f. Probably just $1, honestly. And now we're gonna go ahead and blend, and this is gonna just create a little bit more of intensity here on the transition. Okay, and as you guys can see, I am actually blending in circular motion. That's just gonna help me. It's just gonna help me that so the eyeshadow doesn't have any harsh lines, and everything is nice and blended. So I'm blending in circular motion, blending towards my brow, like blending upward. Okay. A little bit distracted there. Please focus, Liz. Focus, focus. Continue to blend. Beautiful. So now I am grabbing my ColourPop concealer. This is white, looking up, which is going to help me determine my cut crease. As you can see, I do have semi-hooded eyes, so I'm just going to go ahead and follow that mark, okay? I'm just going to go ahead and draw a line to identify where my cut crease is going to be. My cut crease is going to be pretty high because of my semi-hooded eyes. If your eyes are not semi-hooded, then it's probably going to be a lot lower than mine. But just go ahead and use that trick. I love that trick. Just put some concealer right there in the middle of your eyelid and look up, and just go ahead and follow that mark. Okay? So I am also going to go ahead and grab a Q-tip, and I am going to wet it with some makeup remover. And the reason why I'm doing this is actually from Yatsiri Carrillo. I am going to go ahead and just take the excess eyeshadow because I want my lid to be white. Okay, and technically I can go ahead and just, apply that that additional concealer and then apply the white, but it might mix a little bit with the pink, and I really want it to be nice and clear, so we went ahead and took off that excess. Now we're going to go ahead and apply some concealer to that clean lid, and I'm just going to go ahead and fill it in with this flat brush. Okay. Right here I'm just going in with my finger to kind of blend the edge and the rest of the concealer and just kind of make it a little bit more smooth. As you can see, it did take away a lot of the color, so it's up to you. I like for it to be nice and smooth. It just makes everything look a lot better. So the heat of your finger is going to melt a little bit the concealer, but as you can see, it took a little bit of the color. So right now I'm just using this blending brush again, getting some of that hot pink, and I'm just blending out the edges. That way there's no harsh edges and everything can be nice and blended. I do lift up my eyebrow a little bit because I have semi-hooded eyes, and it just kind of helps me look a lot more onto where I want to apply this shadow. Okay, so we'll just go ahead and apply. So beautiful. You guys don't even know how happy my heart gets whenever I see these pink makeup looks. So now I'm going to go ahead and grab some of this pink. And this is a really, really light pink. So whenever I apply some of this on top of the white shadow, it gives a little bit more of a stronger pink because the concealer, I'm sorry, is white and then the shadow is light pink, so it just makes it a little bit more intense. Now I am getting some of that white, and I'm going to go ahead and apply some in the inner corner. Now I am applying some of my e.l.f. eyeliner, which is my favorite. If you are new applying eyeliner, I have to admit that this eyeliner is super watery, so you have to be very careful. I've been practicing eyeliner since the beginning with this one, and it was super difficult because it is watery. So if you're starting off, I would definitely recommend that you get some kind of cream to start off. It's completely up to you. The cream or the gel does dry a lot faster, but then it's not as messy. Okay, but this is just from Walmart, or you can get it at Walgreens. Try not to get it at Family Dollar or Dollar Tree because their products are really old and they're dry and they crack. So I buy mine at Walmart or Walgreens, and it lasts a good amount and it doesn't crack, and it's perfect for me. It'll cost you like $1.98 for this liner. So definitely recommend this. If you are going to be using it to practice, just be patient. It's probably going to get a little bit messy. Okay, so now I am applying some mascara. This is Better Than Sex from Too Faced. And of course, towards the end, I went ahead and applied the false lashes, which are 3D mink lashes. Absolutely beautiful. So in love with these lashes. And yeah, that is pretty much it with the eyeshadow. Just gonna go ahead and apply a little bit here on the bottom. I honestly forgot this step, but it's baby blue eyeshadow on the bottom. I usually don't do eyeshadow on the bottom, but we wanted to do like pink bubblegum type of makeup look. Here I am applying some eyeliner in the color black. This is from Jordana, one of my favorite brands for lip liners and eyeliners. And that is the complete makeup look. As you can see, I put some star gems on the side. And I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. It is absolutely beautiful. So in love with it. And of course, I will talk to you guys at the next video. Bye guys!